Reagan, put on your makeup. Blow the brush. Blow the brush. Yeah. Now you gotta dip it. Dip it in the makeup. What are you doing? Here. Come here, Mommy will open it for you. Are you cracking yourself up or what? Here. Okay, here, let's open it. Ready? Let's put it up here. All right. Now put it on. Okay, thank you. I'll take that. Thank you. Blow it. Good girl. Guess we've learned something by watching Mommy, huh? Blow the brush. Oh, you're going to give yourself kisses in the mirror. That's nice. Good girl. You're cute. All done. Close it up. All right. Good girl. You look so pretty now.